Hi everybody, this is Mr. Molikash. I'm going to send you through a couple of things that I think are important as you get started in Blackboard. First thing you'll need to do is log into Blackboard, and sorry about that. After logging into Blackboard, select your class, and this is what my screen looks like. I have a few extra bells and whistles, but I'm going to log into the student preview. And when you're here, you'll see an opening announcement in the course, and you'll see some links on the left side. The course information link has some contact information about me, my email address, and so forth. The syllabus is here. You'll need to read the syllabus. You can download this and some other general policies from the college. The course pacing guide is here. You can look at that. There's an e-text and course resources tab. This is how you will access WebAssign. There's another link here that you can access WebAssign. There's some more course information links here. Some links to videos and the Decimus calculator, and then some dates for Zoom office hours for Cengage if you should need some help with WebAssign. In the weekly lessons tab, there's a getting started link. You have to do this before you can access any of the weekly assignment folders. And in this getting started link, you'll have to do the enrollment verification quiz. And here's where you're also going to acknowledge that you've read the syllabus. And then this is another link to the course information. There's a software package that you'll have to use in this class called Maple. We won't be using it the first week, but here's the download link to go ahead and download it. In order to use this software, you're going to have an access code, which I do not have as of this recording, August 15th at 7:15 p.m. But when I get it, I'll go ahead and put it in an announcement for you. There's some links to Maple student resources, and then getting started with Maple. There's also a Respondus lockdown browser that you'll have to use. You're required to use this for all tests in this class, and you'll have to have a webcam enabled device to use this to take tests. So your webcam will have to be on when you're taking a test. You'll have to have a microphone enabled and so forth. There's a little video that explains this in a little bit. To download the browser, there's a link here for that. But when you take the enrollment verification quiz, and I'll just go through and answer a couple of the questions just so I have an attempt. After you do that, you'll have access to your week 1 folder. And in the week 1 folder, there is a lot of information about the Respondus lockdown browser. So make sure that you read through all of that. There also is a practice test that you have to take. And again, you cannot take this in a standard browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox. You have to do it in the Respondus lockdown browser. There's also your first lab assignment is in here. I'll have videos posted in these weekly assignment folders as well. So I'll be teaching you throughout these videos you have questions, of course, you can contact me by email or through the discussion board, which leads us to the collaboration folder. Here you'll have access to the discussion board. I won't grade or force you to use discussion board for this class, but there is a link here where you can ask class-wide questions that everybody can see. Might be good for you to type questions in here that everybody can have access to, so I'll be answering these throughout the class. Of course, if you have a private question, you can email me. Blackboard Collaborate is something that you and I can use to have office hours. So if it works out, I can talk to you and work out problems for you in office hours. That's what Collaborate Ultra is for. And then, of course, your grades, your email, and so forth are here. At the end of the course, toward the end of the course, there's a link here to do the course evaluation for the course and for your instructor. Okay, so that's a very, very, very quick introduction on just a little Blackboard walkthrough, if you will. The next video you should see from me will be on section 1.1 out of the text. And so if you have any questions, again, you can email me. My contact information is here in the course information link. Or you can do a class-wide discussion board link in the collaboration tab.